Okay, sanding in progress for the Series 1 240Z. Hi! Just give you... Oh! Okay, so it's been sanded all around, and we're gonna sand it a little bit more, and then spray one coat of primer, and then sand some more. The interior, we're gonna dry ice clear the old sound insulation, the sound deadening that's in there. I'm gonna use dry ice to clear it all out. Anti-rust has been applied. Okay, slowly but surely, it's coming along. Progress on the Series 1 240Z. More sanding, more removing of all the paint, and dry ice on the sound deadening. So we're going to remove all the sound deadening here. Then go into painting the entire car. The current look of it. More sanding, more sanding, more sanding. Body lines are nice. Okay, here we go. Filler work next. Going into filler, of course, different fenders, blue color. All the sound deadening has been removed. One step closer to the paint booth. Yeah. Okay. This is the following day, and the progress is even more sanding down to the raw stuff before body filler, and more seam sealing has gone on. So we're getting down to the final stage. This is the final stage of sanding. Body is very smooth now, despite all the patches of repair. So we're gonna go into body filler and smooth everything out. No more holes, no more rust, no more cancer to deal with. It's moving forward from here on. No need to take anything out from the body anymore. No more steps back. Moving forward. Alright, till tomorrow, the next update. Okay, body filler is in place, and we are sanding it back down to smoothen the surfaces. looking forward for paint towards the middle of next week or early next week. It's a Friday today. We'll probably get all this sanded down today, and then probably get paint applied tomorrow or on Monday. Okay guys, it has taken months actually to get to this point where the car is finally in the paint booth with its primer on, final shade of primer. Then after this they would be sanding this primer off, reflattening, resmoothing, and then spray. So here you are, pictures of it after primer and after sanding, repatching up with the final coat of body filler and the final sand down before painting it. There you go, paint is going on now. Ngồi cho có video. Alright, the mustard car is finally painted, fully painted. Now we're sanding it down, blocking it one more time, and then a polish so that the lacquer will be smooth. At the moment we've got a lot of orange peel, but this is it. It's a finished, fully painted shell for the first time in so many years, inside and out. Beautiful. Color came out exactly the way I wanted it. Nice. We have yet to get the underseal underneath the body. The grill's not complete, but this is it. Very nice. See the real color under the sun, especially with the dark shit green of the MGB GT in the background, contrasting colors. Beautiful. I hope the video does it justice. Very soon it's going in for mechanical reinstallation. Alright guys, enjoy. Here are some pictures while the car is in the paint booth immediately after blocking down the primer and the body filler for the last time. It has taken 5 months. This car has been in the body shop since March this year, 2023, and it's now August 2023. Almost the end of August, 26 at the moment. So a long time, yeah, to get to this point.